Hi guys, welcome to my technical knowledge YouTube channel. So today I will cover Android topic. Today Android topic is today topic is how to run an Android application through the emulator instead of mobile phones. If you are not able to run the Android application through the mobile phone, then you have one more option. So you can also run the Android application through the emulator. So first of all, I will explain you how to download the emulator to run the application or Android application. First of all, go to New Device here. Then you can select Open AVD Manager. You can wait here. Create virtual device. So you can choose here Pixel XL, Pixel 3 XL. It's all here. Much more Android devices. You can select anyone. These all are Android devices. So I will choose. So I will choose Pixel 3 XL. It gives you all the maximum APIs. So this is all the APIs: API 30, Q, Oreo, Nougat, Marshmallow, Lollipop. So I will select Lollipop. It will work for all the applications. So you can easily access all the application through this API. API level is 22. So remember, Lollipop API level is 22. Select next. Here you can change the AVD name, but I will not change. You can change if you want to change, then you can change. So I will select finish. Then it will download the Android virtual device. It will take few seconds or few minutes. Here I have downloaded the Pixel 3a XL API 22, which is 2.5 GB size on disk. So you can open the so you can open the emulator through the action. So launch this activity. Here this is written launch this AVD. So you can launch the AVD. So it will take few minutes to open the virtual device. The virtual device has opened. So you can see, so here you can see the virtual device is downloaded. So after that you can switch on the virtual mobile is switched on. So it is turned on. So virtual device is on. So you can run the mobile. What is this? Hold. It will not show in your application. Here it is building my project, so that's why it takes some time. If your project is not used, then it will not take much more times. It will easily run the program, or it will easily run the application. Here you can see that it is working. So I will run this application in the emulator. So here you can see that it is working. So you can I have made the app, so you can direct send the email. So today I have explained you how to run the Android application through the emulator. So that's for it. So if you like my video, then like the hit button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.